Today we're making a stone pizza oven from start to finish and cooking some bread in there. So first I'm going to leave a space in the back, and this is so flames could rise up just like this and then bank down from the top. After putting this top on, I'm going to leave a few holes in the back in the rocks, and then also dig down a bit for airflow so the fire doesn't get smothered. Okay, now it's time to add the ingredients. I'm just going to mix them up. Now while that dough's just rising, it's the perfect time to get your fire started. The fire I'm going to make is one of the best cooking fires. It's called the reverse or upside down fire. You basically just burn the fire from the top down and it'll leave the perfect cooking coals. Once you get the bread in, crank that fire up. Those flames are going to rise through the hole you left in the back and then bank down from the top. You want to bake it for about half an hour to 40 minutes and add some oil on top if you can, and bon appetit.